disconnected. Recording.
Good evening, YouTubers. I gotta buckle my helmet. I forgot. See them dark clouds. Don't know if I'm gonna get it. So I'm going this way, so maybe not. It's really dark over in that way and right there. But I gotta put some petro in this thing. So I'm down to 1 bar. It has been raining all day and yesterday. It rained on the way home yesterday. Uh-oh. That's a popo. Sheriff's office. Get some fuel. Check it out. I don't know if I'd like one of them things. Polaris. Uh-oh, here comes a cop now. I'm in trouble. I am in trouble. Nah, he don't even notice me. I can tell he's not a dual sport fan. He's probably like that one cop that asked me, "What is that?" And I said, "It's a dual sport." Is this a debit? No. Some of these pumps, when they pump so fast, you got to be careful. You can't really slow them down. Listen, actually, I think I can, but a lot of them, they don't have no slow down on them, and the gas spills over. Don't like them. They just on or off. Whoa, darn it. And I did spill it over a little bit. See how that goes. Darn the luck. Rent me. That's a rental? Who the heck would want to rent one? Hell, the wife off the spoog. $4.25. No receipt. Guess I don't need one after all. I just feel like that would be kind of like driving a convertible car. Wouldn't really be like a motorcycle. Could be fun on paved roads for sure, but $4.25. Seriously, I think that's the most I put in this thing, or even my 250L. I guess because the gas prices are higher. What is it? $3.19.9 for premium. So hopefully it's cheaper where you guys are. One thing about it, Biden to get it all fixed. not. My goodness, they opened up the floodgates. I tell you, I couldn't live in the city. I couldn't live in town. I don't know how you people do it. I'm like a fish out of water. I don't belong. People going so slow for? Heck, I could go that fast on my push mower. Yes, I got a fast push mower. It's self-propelled. That's a pretty cool back window he's got there. Well, look at this, 842 miles. 1,000-mile review coming up before long. If I ever get to ride. Besides back and forth to work like I am now. I plan on making a video maybe Sunday, another riding with my son. We're going to go for probably a longer ride this time. If he shows up. You know how your kids are. If he shows up, we plan on going on a longer ride and making some videos. He can ride my 250L. Dang, that's a freaking mess. You see it's strung down through here. Rotella tea oil, a gallon of it spilled out. Somebody lost it and then somebody hit it, looks like. Don't want to hit that. Hitting it going straight wouldn't be bad. You wouldn't want to be on the gas or turning. I'm thinking them clouds are actually coming this way, but I'm not positive. I looked at the radar this morning, so I'm not sure which way they're going now. I smell oil. Could be coming from this Dodge in front of me, I'm not sure. I had an old 1943 Jeep, and it had a flathead 4-cylinder in it. And that thing smoked so bad. I had oil fouls on it because it fouled the plugs like crazy. The oil fouls, I guess they help some, but it got so bad that not really. It's still foul them, even with oil fouls on them. Some of you people will know what they are. And then it smoked so bad that, I mean, the cars behind me couldn't even see. And the thing, of course, wouldn't go at about 35 miles an hour. 40 if he was really stroking it out. But anyway, you could tell when you ran out of oil because the smoke would stop. So you pull over and you dump a gallon of oil in it. It was pretty bad. But it's crazy, it ran a long time like that. Needed re-ringed, and I was crazy and got rid of it. Wish I still had it. Then I had a 1953 Jeep. It didn't smoke like that, but it had a later model pushrod motor in it. So my 300L, a lot of people ask the question if it has that rattle at about 5,000 RPM, between 4,000 and 5,000. 4500, and yes, it does have that. I'm not sure what it is yet, and I've not heard anybody say if this, if you can hear it. Trying to get it where it does it. Put the shield up right there. Put it in the higher gear, see if it does it. That doesn't really matter. It's got that rattle, and I'm not sure what it is, so maybe somebody can comment below if they know what it is, if they've heard, the shop told them, or had it checked out. I don't have a lot of complaints about the bike. A lot of people have some complaints. Some of them are really kind of silly. I've heard about the throttle thing. The throttle to me seems perfect. I don't notice anything wrong with the throttle. It works. About it shutting off when you let off the gas, and I've never had that, no issue. Feels just like my 250L. I did have a problem with this hose right here, you know, and I took this banjo fitting loose right here, rotated this forward, and now it's out of the way. You might not see it on here, but when I'm riding on the bike here, it's absolutely not in the way, so I could care less about it now. And it was right in my view. Now when I stand up, then it's right in my view if I stand up, but sitting is not. Of course, if you always stand up, like the one guy said, he never sits down, he always stands up. Well, then that's the one that I replied back to him. I'd just take the seat and sell it. You don't need it. I mean, you lose some weight, get rid of that seat, heck, you'll lose some weight, and you never use it, take it off. But I doubt that anybody's got one and never sits. You're going to sit sometimes. There's actually a time for sitting. Even guys that race motocross, they don't stand the whole time. They do sit at times. So, comment below if you've heard about this rattle. See if we can figure out what in the world's causing it. Maybe somebody has took their bike back to the shop and they got it fixed, and if the shop has a clue. I've noticed that some of the shops, the mechanics really don't have a clue. I don't know if they just hire them off the street or what, but I can tell when I go to a shop and I talk to them, because I've mechanicked on motorcycles all my life. So I can tell when I talk to them where they have an idea what they're talking about. It just sounds like to me it's not shimmed right. It sounds like the shims need to be changed, but I'm not positive that's what it is. Some people say it's a timing chain sensor. It's not what it sounds like to me. I've never had a problem with the chain tensor on my 250L or this, either 250L. I had two of them. Never had a problem with the tensor. So let us know below what you found out. I'm going to get home dry, but I don't get run over in the process. So hopefully this weekend, if I get Sunday, probably Monday or so before I get a video up, time to edit it, because I've got all kinds of other videos to make too. I've got a lot of reviews on things. I've got another security camera. I got a cooler. I got one of those mini fridges, only it's a big mini fridge. Some different things like that to make some reviews on. So lots of videos to do, but I need to make some more riding videos. That's my goal. Seen a deer come by here this morning when I come out, and there's a little fawn standing here on the road. Somebody I know that lives there in Castle took a picture of a bobcat with a fawn in its mouth. It's pretty cool because I just saw a bobcat in my backyard not too long ago, about the same size, a real big bobcat. But he took a picture, really cool picture, of this bobcat with a fawn in its mouth, what's left of it, down there at Cassville. And I just took a picture of the printed picture, so it's not a great quality picture, but he took it on his cell phone, so it's actually a good picture. But I'll post that picture here where you can check it out. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm going to get in the house before it does start raining, because yeah, them clouds are coming this way. Thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up. Comment about this Rattle on this bike if you know what it is, or if you heard anything. Surely we got enough 300L now, enough 300Ls out there that somebody has found out. But I'll catch y'all on the next one. Right on.